Miguel here. Quick video on this ironx. Basically what I did here was I sprayed some of the ironx on the wheel. No scrubbing. That would be my second spray. And basically this is what the wheel of my Nissan Titan looks like. So just gonna spray a good amount and I'm gonna see what it does just by it doing that. So this one should have worked already. It's been on there for maybe like 4 minutes. I'm just gonna try rinsing it off and see what it does before I actually decide to clean the wheels. So pretty much it's not a leave on and it'll do everything. You do have to wipe it, and for the next part I will wipe everything over here and see how clean the wheels actually get after using the product. This is my Nissan Titan, and it is my very abused work truck, not like my other cars that get babied all the time. But for the most part, that ironx stuff works really well. These rims were really bad, and that's what it looks like after one spray. I mean, it is fairly expensive, but if it's gonna make the wheel look like that, then it's definitely worth it. So now I'm gonna go second round with this guy. I wasn't gonna bore you guys with the video, but just so you guys could see what the wheels look like before. That's what they look like before, and this is what it looks like after. I mean, that's pretty damn good. Hope this video was helpful in making a decision. Amazon link will be on the description. Thank you for watching.